As you guys can see, this is a problem, like I told you. The rest of the rock from here, from this side, fell. So I gotta get it up. But this is why you don't want to use 57 stone. Look at this. Look at that crap. Look at that. There's no void in here. It's all compact. All that cement dust and all that's in there. Once water goes with it, starts packing everything in. Stop letting these guys use 57 stone. It's crushed stone. I used to use it and I had to hose it down, clean it before I even put it in. And I stopped doing it. It's too much work. But yeah, this is what happens when they use this on a French drain. Rather you buy bagged rock